Hello guys, Ghost here. Today I will be showing you how to build my TNT anxiety machine. I made a post about this on Reddit and it was one of my most liked posts. I was really proud of the machine, the original is behind there. I just wanted to show you how it's built. Basically it works like that. TNT gets dropped down and the pistons nearly miss it. So the pistons catch the TNT and they nearly push it here and it doesn't explode. Like that. Will fall down and it won't damage any of the machine. I can show you from below. It's pretty interesting. The only thing that could happen is, yeah, the floor blows up. Since the other machine, since my post on Reddit, I overhauled the machine by doing stuff like this. You can now switch the machine on and off without the machine just blowing up by itself. It basically works with this piston interrupting or starting or combining or whatever you want to call it, this this trail of comparators. So if I have a block up here, the signal can travel through and will start this whole thing up here with the TNT dropping down and essentially everything. But if you remove that block, no signal won't go through this clock. To start this clock, I built this machine here that converts a long signal, or generally any signal into one pulse, so that the machine gets started without any problems. Here you can see that it just stops. It just stops the signal by going downwards. Nothing gets destroyed. Yeah. I'm pretty proud of it, and now I'm gonna show you how to basically build it. So now I'll be showing you how to build this whole contraption. It's actually pretty simple, but it looks very complicated because I need to get the repeater timings right, etc. So I made this step-by-step picture screenshot type compilation thingy. So you need to place 6 redstone dust in a line. At the one end a sticky piston. On the other end you need to place a block with a redstone dust on top of it. Then you need to build this obsidian thing here. It's 6 blocks wide. On this side it's 5 blocks tall. And here it's, yeah, I think you get it. So you need to build this shape so nothing blows up. Simply, it's as simple as that. Then you need to, yeah, this looks pretty complicated. Now you need to place the one piston here, like here, facing in this direction, and then you need to place a block onto the front of the piston, which then extends outward by this redstone torch. So then you can take your building block and build your platform, since you probably won't be floating while using this machine. So then you need to build that part here. It's pretty simple. 1 block upwards, 1 block to the side with redstone dust on the top. This will activate the sticky piston, or you can also use a normal piston with a gravity block on top. The sticky piston will have a block on top, and this redstone dust will power this sticky piston, but will also travel through the block and go into the repeater, which will then transform any type of signal. No one cares how long it is, how short it is. Any type of signal will get transferred into a 1 tick signal that is basically 1 pulse, just to start this whole clock thingy there. Then you place this 4 redstone dust, a block, and a redstone torch, like so. The redstone torch is the block with the redstone torch is 1 block above this sticky piston. That is possible due to some weird Minecraft redstone mechanics. So then you need to build this clock by placing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 of these comparators on 4 ticks, so that so like that here. And then you need to place any type of block really. You can place, I don't know, glass. Oh no, glass, no, not glass. You can't place redstone transparent blocks up here. Only like solid blocks, like stone, wood, or something, or iron blocks on top of this sticky piston. Then you need to place 3 redstone dust like so, with these 3 weird blocks at the end and this weird line there. And then you place 5 repeaters in a straight line at 4 ticks each. Then a redstone dust or a block, and then no redstone block, just a normal block. Then I need to place 2 of those repeaters on full ticks. Then 1 repeater where you click 1 time on it. So that is now perfect. It will loop at the perfect amount of time, so nothing blows up. After you build all of this, you need to build this. This is pretty simple. Those are only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 blocks you need to place. So you go 1 block up here and place 2 blocks on those 2 repeaters on top, so that the redstone dust, as shown here, can travel over it. Then you place 2 redstone dust on those 2 blocks, 1 redstone repeater on 4 ticks that faces into these 2 blocks with the redstone dust on it. Then you need to place 1 fully powered repeater, 2 nearly powered repeaters, a block, a normal piston or a sticky piston as you like. Doesn't really make a difference, but a normal piston I thought looks nicer. Then you place the blocks there, and now everything should basically look like that. If it doesn't, you should look over it again, because then you probably built something very wrong. Then you need to place a block here with a lever on it, a block on this other sticky piston. There you need to place a glass block onto this weird shape that you built before, with 2 redstone dust coming out of it, and a normal piston on top of this other piston with blocks between it. It's pretty simple. You just need to not get confused. Okay, that sounds like it's confusing. Then you have that. It's really simple. I'm sorry that I said it all the time, but this block is this block. So I need 1 block up there with 1 redstone dust, 1 repeater on 3 ticks, 1 block or redstone dust, then 3 redstone dust, 1 nearly fully powered repeater on top of this glass, 1 redstone dust that will power this piston, and that should be this. And then you build 1 block up, 1 block up, build 2 redstone dust on top of it, and then you build the tube where the TNT is going to fall down. It needs to be a certain amount of blocks high, so that the TNT doesn't just fly to the left or to the right, which would destroy the soul contraption. Then you build run a range of blocks up here, then build 1 block higher with 1 redstone dust on the top. Then you repeat the same thing, but this time to the right. Then you put a block above the glass where the redstone dust goes into it. This block is not allowed to be any type of transparent block, because redstone signals can't travel through transparent blocks like glass, sea lanterns, glowstone, so don't use any of that. Just use a solid block like concrete or dirt or something. Then you place the dropper up here with the TNT. Now it should work like here, and everything should work. You don't need to build this whole wood platform. That is just to make it look nice. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please leave some improvement tips in the comments. I would really appreciate it. I'm new to this whole YouTube thing. I just want to show people how to do stuff with redstone. Have a nice day. Don't be frustrated if you don't build a redstone contraction right away. Yeah, have a nice time. Bye.